This day with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a monochromatic transfer swipe. Our pillow paint is Glint Essentials in Eggshell. Putting down a fairly decent size mound there, I guess. This is Supernova by TLP. It looks pink, but with the right colors, it also has a blue shift to it. Very cool. This is Lamp Black, and that's Amsterdam. Spreading out the pillow paint. Trying to get it out as far as I can to the edges. Okay, on that second tile over there, I am putting down another layer of pillow paint. And I'm going to start layering the colors on top of that tile for my part of my transfer swipe. Okay. Now on the main tile, I'm putting down a puddle of the Lamp Black. I'm going to spread it out. And in essence, it becomes the background color for this swipe. Okay, so I'm going to put the Supernova on first. Bring it over and frame in just a second. I realized I needed another color. This is Indigo, and it's altogether interactive. Interactive. And I put a decent amount down on this. It's the black against the indigo against the black. It won't have a lot of contrast, but it will have that blue sheen. This is Pearlescent White by Sonja. Okay, I'm going to pick up my tool and load the back of it up with Lamp Black Cell Activator. Now this cell activator is mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol to the 1 part paint. You can see the cells pop right up. Let this develop just a second or two. I'm going to pick up a scraper and just a regular paint scraper I get at Home Depot, and I'm gonna slide that puddle I have there onto the back of the scraper. Then I'll transfer that onto the tile, and it. Change on this for me is that I've never tried to do a transfer swipe on this smaller surface, so it's a first experience. Can't really see what came up on that swipe, but I really wish it had stayed like this, because that's Supernova, and you can see some of the blue that popped through. It's very cool. What I'm doing is I'm just grabbing a little bit more of the paint that was left on the larger tile. Okay. Taking a look at it and saying, okay, well, you can see there's a lot of movement there with the paint, so some of that's got to come off. So nice soft spin on that first time. See how much was going to come off. You see it open up quite a bit. You can see the Supernova, the blue there over on the other side, and the pink on the, it's that pink blue shift that it has. It is what makes the Supernova so special. I'm picking up some of the paint that was off on the sides of the spinner, so that it didn't have to deal with it going all over the place. A little harder to spite that time. Closing up a few things just in case the next swipe decides to go a little crazy. Getting some movement there. There's a lot of paint that was on that little 4x4 tile. I'm looking to see how much movement there is, if I need to do some more spinning. So this tile really did come out pretty much monochromatic. The Supernova disappeared, unfortunately. Well, it came out as actually very nice. If you found this video useful today, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications of videos that I'll put out. My goal to put out 2 per week, and I hope you'll come back soon. Thanks for being here. Bye now.